Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of bearings. We'll explore what they are, how they work, and why they're so crucial in our daily lives. At its core, a bearing is a machine element that allows one part to bear or support another, facilitating rotation or linear movement while reducing friction. This is a ball bearing, one of the most common types. It consists of an outer ring, an inner ring, balls, and a cage. The balls roll between the two rings, significantly reducing friction and allowing smooth motion. Bearings come in various types, including ball bearings, roller bearings, and needle bearings, each designed for specific applications. For instance, in a bicycle wheel, bearings are used in the hub to ensure the wheel spins freely and efficiently. In industrial machinery, bearings are essential for maintaining the precision and efficiency of rotating components, such as in motors, pumps, and conveyor belts. Even in your car, bearings play a critical role. They are found in the wheels, allowing them to rotate with minimal resistance and supporting the vehicle's weight. In aviation, bearings are crucial in engines and landing gear, where they withstand extreme conditions and ensure safety and reliability. Bearings are also key in high-tech industries, like robotics and aerospace, where precision and durability are paramount. So, why are bearings so important? They reduce friction, improve efficiency, extend the lifespan of machinery, and ensure smooth and reliable operation. Without bearings, our machines and vehicles would be less efficient, noisier, and more prone to wear and failure. Understanding bearings helps us appreciate the engineering marvels that keep our world moving seamlessly. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you now have a clearer picture of what bearings are and why they're so vital. For more insights into the fascinating world of engineering, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.